Welcome to Hobart Farm's Nursery, where we plant. Today my mom is letting me do a video. Mommy, what is this called?
Broccoli.
Today we're planting some broccoli. First you stick the card in behind where you're going to plant it, so you know what you're planting over here. And then you start planting. And if your broccoli stems have a little bit of these on them, just don't be scared to pluck them off. Plant them 6 inches away from each other so they don't start spreading and growing together. Don't plant them too deep, or else they will go to the root and they won't grow as tall as you want them to. Start growing across from them. Start growing across from them. Don't feel shy. Keep growing more. I have lots more to grow in the bed. Make another hole. If there's any worms in your garden when you're planting, just leave them there or move them to a different bed if they're going to disturb you. Me and my mommy had to do that today. Speaking of mommy, say hi.
Hi, everybody.
My mommy's the cameraman today. And if any soil is loose near your crops, just spread it down. You don't need to if the soil isn't so loose. But always pat your hand down or use your shovel if you want to. Bye guys! Don't forget to hit and subscribe that button.